How to fill rinse aid in Whirlpool dishwasher. So first of all, you need to fully open your dishwasher door as it is shown over here in this particular image. Now you just have to first of all look inside of the door near the detergent compartment. You will see a small round or the flip style cap which will be labeled as a rinse aid. So more specifically, it is going to look something like this. So you just have to simply twist or lift the rinse aid cap carefully depending on your Whirlpool model. Inside it, you are going to see a small rinse or aid receiver where the liquid goes. So when you are able to find it, you just have to simply slowly pour the rinse aid into the dispenser opening. Do not overfill it past the maximum fill line because excess liquid can leak during the wash cycle and it can then create too much foam. Now, if any of the rinse aid spills around the dispenser area, you just have to simply wipe it off with a clean cloth immediately. The leftover rinse or the residue clean create the excessive suds and streaks during the next wash cycle. Afterwards, you just have to simply secure the rinse aid cap tightly until it clicks or until it locks into the place. Now, some of the Whirlpool dishwashers allow you to adjust how much rinse aid is related during the cycles. So if the dishes still have water spots, you can increase the rinse aid setting slightly. After doing so, simply rinse aid is going to basically help you slide off the dishwashers more easily during drying. So you can try this and let me know if that works. Thank you.